When I started YouTube, I thought I knew what I was getting into. I watched the tutorials, studied the algorithms, and planned everything perfectly. But the first 30 days, they hit me with the reality I wasn't ready for. Let's be honest, YouTube looks easy from the outside. You record, upload, and boom, millions of views. At least that's what it feels like when you're just watching other creators succeed. But when it's you, sitting there with 0 subscribers, 0 views, and 0 comments, that's when the truth hits. The first thing I learned in 30 days is this: no one cares at first. Not YouTube, not the algorithm, not even your friends. You have to earn attention one painful upload at a time. You'll spend hours editing a video, crafting the perfect title, making the perfect thumbnail. And then what? You get 12 views, and half of them are you refreshing your own video. The second truth no one talks about is self-doubt. It creeps in fast. You start comparing yourself to people who've been at it for years. You wonder if you're wasting your time. You start to question everything: your voice, your style, even your ideas. But that's part of the process, because YouTube doesn't just test your creativity, it tests your character. Then comes the algorithm game. You'll spend hours watching videos titled "How to Go Viral," thinking there's a secret formula. But there isn't. What works for one creator might fail for you. The truth is, the algorithm doesn't reward people who chase trends. It rewards people who stay consistent long enough for their message to finally connect. Around week 2, something changed for me. Not in my analytics, but in my mindset. I stopped chasing views. I started focusing on improving my craft, my storytelling, my pacing, my delivery. And slowly, I started to care less about being perfect and more about being real. Because here's the thing no one tells you: you don't need perfection to grow. You need momentum. You need to show up when no one's watching. You need to post that video even when you're tired. You need to believe in your message before anyone else does. By day 20, I learned something powerful. Your first 30 days aren't about winning, they're about learning. You'll learn what kind of videos feel right. You'll learn how to hook viewers in the first 10 seconds. You'll learn how much patience this game really requires. And most importantly, you'll learn that your growth isn't measured in views, it's measured in commitment. By the end of 30 days, I wasn't viral, I wasn't famous, but I was better. Better at editing, better at writing, better at staying disciplined. And I realized something that changed everything. The first 30 days aren't a test of talent, they're a test of persistence. You see, everyone wants the result, but few are willing to survive the silence. Those early days when no one's watching, no one's liking, no one's commenting, that's when most people quit. But that's also where the real creators are born. So if you're in your first 30 days right now, feeling lost, unseen, or frustrated, remember this: it's not supposed to be easy. You're building something from nothing. You're learning skills most people never master. You're developing the mindset that separates dreamers from doers. Keep posting, keep learning, keep showing up even when no one's clapping. Because one day, those same people who didn't watch your first videos will scroll back and realize how far you've come. And that's the moment it'll make sense. This was my first 30 days on YouTube, and that's the truth no one talks about.